If you're searching for a landscape contractor to help you beautify your home with the addition of an outdoor fountain, a pond, or other water feature, consider the services of John Madison. John Madison Landscape provides Central Florida with a full range of landscaping services. Our team of skilled designers are ready to help you with your next project. We offer landscape design and installation, stone and paver patios and walkways, ponds and water features, landscape lighting, and much, much more. Discover your environment's hidden beauty. Call John Madison Landscape today.